If you don't know yet, there's a new image generation model around. It's called Nano Banana or Gemini 2.5 Flash image from Google. And well, it's amazing. Probably the best image generation model around at the moment. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 features that make it so incredible and why it's so incredible specifically for entrepreneurs like you and me. And third, I'm going to show you a quick demo of what you can achieve with the model. So yeah, stick around. Right, so the first thing that makes this model so amazing for entrepreneurs is its ability to maintain the original structure of the picture. For entrepreneurs, this means flexibility. You can take one very good professional picture and manipulate it as you wish. What I mean here is that you can take your model's picture, like a person, or your product's picture with the label and etc., and you can manipulate and change it as you want, and it will remain the original person and the original photo of the label. In the end of the day, you will have different versions of the same picture without it looking fake or any extra overhead. The second reason that makes this model so special is its ability to blend pictures and images together. Something that used to require a lot of time and specialized knowledge just 1 month ago. Combined with the idea that you maintain the original structure of the picture, now you can blend different backgrounds or situations and build entire campaigns from just one original picture. Can you imagine that? And the third reason that makes Nano Banana amazing is its ability to understand plain English very well. So you don't need to over-explain or to go into too much detail on your prompt. For you and your team, it means that you can learn very quickly how to use it and adopt it and use it in your marketing toolkit as soon as possible. All right, enough talking. Now let's see things happening in practice. On the left side, I have ChatGPT. On the right side, I have Gemini. First off, I will start selecting create image on ChatGPT and create images in Gemini. That selects the Nano Banana model. Now I will upload my own picture here in both cases. Yeah, and now that's uploaded, I will prompt the same thing in both AI, so you can see a quick comparison here. So change my background wall color to dark blue. You see, it's a very simple prompt. I did in ChatGPT. Now I did in Gemini. Let's see what happens. All right, so now that we have both results, we can clearly see, I don't know if you can see it as much as me because it's me, but it's a slightly different face than it should be. Whereas here is much more perfect. But still, this is still okay. I think the results for ChatGPT are just fine at this point. But now let's reiterate. Let's iterate on top of the same image. And for that, I will ask it to change the background color, actually the background to look like I'm inside a Buffalo Wild Wings restaurant. I will do that in both LLMs, submit and submit. Let's see how it goes. All right, now both LLMs already delivered the final result. Here, you can clearly see I don't even need to zoom in, but it's a completely different person. Whereas here, it's the same person, it's still me. The colors are still pretty much the same. Here, there is a slight change in the colors of the table and so on. But here you can clearly see how different these two LLMs handle my requests, right? And let's go to a final request. I actually don't know how any of them will respond, but let's see. Change my arm position to a way as if I am king at someone passing by. Let's do that. That's gonna be crazy. I have no idea what's gonna happen, but let's see. Let's see how they will handle that. And we can actually explore some of the limitations and the limits of these two technologies. Mind-blowing, right? It's unbelievable. What's going on here is unbelievable. It really changed my arm position. It changed my face, the direction of my face. It kept my shirt as is. It's kind of perfect, actually. It looks like me. Whereas the results actually from ChatGPT are also just fine, I guess. I'm not going to look into the details, but it's a completely different person. This is one thing that we can clearly notice, that we have the same artist or model on Gemini. It was kept the same person, the same character, even if we change the background, the arm position, and so on. Whereas from the ChatGPT side, it's a completely new person. I think it's surprisingly okay. I kind of like the final results as well. But it's not me. I mean, if I'm trying to use this in a marketing campaign, that's not gonna work, right? I'm gonna have different models in different types of campaigns, or even if I have one same campaign that I want to have variations of the same picture, it's gonna be a lot of different models. Whereas with Gemini, Nano Banana, it's gonna be the same person over and over again. Well, this was just a quick example of what you can achieve with Nano Banana. And as you can see, opportunities for entrepreneurs and marketers are endless. You can scale your campaigns, or you can improve your customers' user experience. You can test different approaches. You can do a lot of things. And when you do those things, what really happens is that you can increase your click-through rates and impact your conversion rates. So you are getting more leads, more customers, and eventually more revenue, right? If you want more examples on how to use Nano Banana for marketing, make sure to watch this other video here, where I talk about how to use it for landing pages, ad creation, emails, and including one bonus strategy that not a lot of people are talking about. So go ahead, click it here, watch it now. See you there. Bye bye.